Alright guys, so I got the monster Pittsburgh out here and the Maruto Kohaku. Yeah, so I think they're both females and they're the same age. Just measured them at the Kohaku is 18.5 inches and Pittsburgh, this fish is 23 inches now. Just a beaut, monster. And there's fish. Yeah, he's probably like 5 pounds at least. When I picked him up with the net, I was like, wow. Both these fish eat on my hand too. His ever since the color fade, his colors really start popping. Pittsburgh right here, and his Kohaku too. I don't think I'll ever get rid of these two fish. I got Pittsburgh there when he was basically a fry. He's about an inch long. In January of 2020, I think, yeah. He's 4 years old, and he's about 4'2". She. Wow. Some fish, some koi just have a much higher growth rate, and Pittsburgh is definitely one of them. Yeah. Kinki, aka Becco. He's like a yellow and orange. He's actually domestic too. Sorry. So I mean, sometimes you just get. It all depends on the parents. So this fish here is a domestic fish, and this is Japanese, and they are the same age, from the knowledge I've gotten. And this fish is, 4 inches bigger and a pound heavier. Pretty crazy. They're looking healthy. Big girl. Huge. Pretty tame. Both of them. They're both pretty tame. Get them out, just like mess with them a little bit, but not too much. Just to check them over. Beautiful. Kohaku 3 steps. So nice. Come on now. A little tough to do with one hand. It's a 50-gallon tote they're in too. It's some small tote. It's a 50-gallon tote. So, alright. Let me get these bagged up. Alright guys, there's the pond the fish were in. That's now empty. Just had to clean off the bottom of it. Bottom of it is a lot dirtier than the inside, of course. Just have to show them. Show the outback bottom of it. Let me get it squirted down a little more. But, all right. And here they are, guys, in the basement for the winter. It's actually been a couple days since I got them moved. But yeah, they're all doing healthy and well. No problems. The Chag is already lightened up, and his brown, his color, he's already got a lot lighter. It happened last fall as well. So well, it's pretty funny. It only took a couple days, but the Jaguar there is like a light brown now. Before he's like dark brown when they're outside. For some reason, I don't know if it's the temperature or the sun, but let me know if your Jaguar is. I mean, if you bring him inside or however you do, or if it's cooler out, does he get lighter in color? When it's, in the summer when it's pretty warm out, so they darken up. But mine is dark in the summer and lighter in the when I bring him inside. So, but there it is. They're all swimming around, doing their thing. So yeah, guys, it's a relatively good summer. Really good summer for the koi. Everything was pretty smooth. It's just time to bring them down to the basement for the fall. Temperature's cooling off, so. I cut back the feeding, of course, especially with moving them down here. Brand new water, so still feed them twice a day. Cut it back temporarily. Don't want to lose the water quality. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.